has taken place. As per the records of the Assembly, in this current 12th Legislative Assembly of Tripura, the BJP Legislative Party is composed of 36 MLAs. There is no issue of any merger so as to save the vice of disqualification suffered by respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA under paragraph 2 within bracket 1 within bracket A of the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India by an application of the exception of paragraph 4 of the said schedule. Hence, I hereby decide in exercise of my jurisdiction vested under paragraph 6 of the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India that respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA, in relation to whom the present disqualification petition has been preferred, has become subject to disqualification under 10th schedule to the Constitution of India with the Assembly Secretariat. In fact, all his travelling allowances bills were made and drawn showing the said address. Son of Sri Khagendra Das, Member of Legislative Assembly from number 46 Surma SC, Resident of Village Choto Surma, PA Choto Surma, PO Choto Surma, PS Kamalpur, District Dholai, Tripura, PIN number Ato, Tripura as his only address. Under these circumstances, I had no alternative but to conclude that the notice were duly served under the addressee, respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA. The uncontroverted statements of the disqualification petition filed by Srimati Kalyani Rai, MLA, along with her additional affidavit dated 3/12/21, along with their respective annexures, being home the fact that several local newspapers published from Agartala, which are widely circulated in the state of Tripura, had reported during the period of 5/10/21 till 8/10/21 that respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA tonsured his head beside the river Ganga at Calcutta as a prelude of his joining TMC. Respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA reportedly made sketching remarks against the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, within bracket hereinafter referred as BJP, which were also widely publicized in several newspapers. Some newspapers' report went to the extent of reporting that respondent Ashish Das MLA had in fact left BJP and joined TMC, while some others reported that respondent Ashish Das MLA was already knocking the door of the TMC and waiting for appropriate time to formally join TMC. He termed his act as head tonsuring to be a symbolic act of penance for having joined BJP, and further promised not to grow hair on head till he had removed BJP from the seat of power at Tripura. The copies of all these newspapers' publications are annexed as annexure. A series of, at pages 9 to 27 of the petition, the supporting statements on oath are pursued at paragraph 2 by Roman 3 of the petition. Admittedly, the respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA was nominated as a candidate of BJP to contest election from number 46 Surma SC Legislative Assembly constituency in the last general election. He was declared returned as a candidate of BJP to the 12th Tripura Legislative Assembly and had been a member of the Legislative Party in the House. Record and was ordered by me on 4/12/2001 to be put up within the fixed date. Meanwhile, the copy of my order was forwarded to respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA to be served through officer in charge Kamalpur Police Station, which returned from the officer in charge Kamalpur Police Station by dispatch number Ato dated 14/12/2021, informing the Secretary Tripura Legislative Assembly that one officer from this PS has been to the house of the Ashish Das MLA 456 AC, but he was not found available in his house. Neither any of his family member is found available, and his house is found under lock and key. On being asked to local residing labor, they informed the Ashish Das along with his family presently residing at Agartala, and since few months they did not came to this house. Finding no other way, the said officer pasted one copy of the order order sheet in the front door of the house of Sri Ashish Das in presence of witnesses and taken photographs, and also obtained signature of independent witness for record and references. The case was thereafter put up on the fixed date 14/12/21, on which date the petitioner Srimati Kalyani Rai MLA was personally present. However, the respondent Ashish Das MLA was absent. As already ordered earlier, I heard the petitioner Srimati Kalyani Rai MLA ex parte and reserved my order. Regarding service of notice of respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA, I checked with the record of the Assembly Secretariat and verified that the address of the respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA, as given in the disqualification petition by the petitioner Srimati Kalyani Rai MLA, was the only recorded residential postal address of the respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA. He had my notice along with the copy of the petition along with its answers were already delivered to the addressee of Sri Ashish Das. The matter being put up to me by the Secretary of the Assembly, I passed an order on 3/11/21 asking to obtain official confirmation of service. In response to the letter was received from Superintendent of Post Offices, Agartala Postal Division, byte number CPT miscellaneous 2021 dated 8/11/21, that the speed post article being Eto has been delivered on 30/10/21 for Chota Sharma BO under Komalpur SO, as intimated by Superintendent of Post Dharmanagar Division. Thereafter, the matter was put up before me again on 12/11/2021. As no response was received from the respondent Ashish Das, I ordered the matter to be put on 26/11/21. I further ordered the matter to be proceeded ex parte if no response was received from the respondent within 26/11/21. This order was sent to the respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA by speed post, white consignment number Eto, which was returned unserved on 24/11/21 with the remark addressee absent. Thereafter, the matter being posted on 26/11/21, I ordered for reissue of my order dated 12/11/21 to the respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA, again fixing 14/12/21 for ex parte hearing. This time I directed for service of notice upon the addressee Ashish Das MLA through the officer in charge of Komalpur Police Station. On 3/12/21, applicant Srimati Kalyani Rai submitted an additional affidavit along with annexure stating that while in her petition she sought for a presumption from the reported actions of respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA regarding his having suffered disqualification to the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India by his subsequent reported action, it was now clear that the respondent Sri Ashish Das MLA has since joined All India Trinamool Congress Party, within bracket thereinafter referred as TMC, on 30/10/21, thereby being liable to be disqualified from being a member of the Tripura Legislative Assembly. Facilities and all the covers of the Assembly. এটাই দুঃখের বিষয় যে উনি একজন বিধায়কের প্রদত্ত যে সুযোগ সুবিধা গুলো আছে, যে অধিকারগুলো আছে, সে সবকিছু থেকেই বঞ্চিত হলেন। ভবিষ্যতে পেনশন না, কিছুই পাবেন না।
বিধায়ক আবাস এবং ওনার যে সিকিউরিটি সব
কিছুই পাবেন না। বিধায়ক হিসেবে যা পাওয়ার ওনার পাওয়ার কথা, সেগুলো উনি কিছুই পাবেন না।
কবে থেকে শেষ হয়ে যাবে?
এই তো আজকে থেকেই অর্ডার পাস হবে, বুলেটিনে বেরিয়ে যাবে, গ্যাজেটে বেরিয়ে যাবে। From today itself, he is not at all a member of the house, of this house.